Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2017 Infiniti Q50 Premium Plus all-wheel drive that we have for sale. We acquired this off lease from Infiniti Financial Services. It's a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. It's beautiful shape inside and out. A really nice color combination in silver on graphite leatherette. If you're in the market for a compact luxury sports sedan with all-wheel drive traction, the Q50 is a great choice, especially this one. This one has pretty low miles for 2017. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. This one only has 22,574 miles. Nice list of equipment, power and heated front seats, heated steering wheel. Bose sound system. We have a drive mode selector here. That'll make changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings. This one also has navigation too, but the nav disc is missing, so we have to order a new one. And then the nav map will display right there, but right now it's just saying there's an error because there's no SD card. So we have the top screen for navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can also access the drive mode selector here. Lots of different changes and settings. Active trace control brakes individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate a little bit better through corners. You can shut that system on or off. You can also use this bottom screen to access the climate control settings, and you can also use it to access the radio settings as well. And they do have some redundancies here. They have some buttons that you can, pick and choose which way you want to do it. You can use the screen or you can use these buttons over here. Nice power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. It's also leather wrapped. Looks beautiful in silver. The Q50 is built on the advanced front midship platform. It is a sports car platform. Pretty much the sportiest Infinitis we've seen over the last 16, 17 years have been built on this platform. The G35, the G37, the Q50, the Q60, also the Nissan 350 and 370Z. The Nissan is Infiniti's parent company, is also built on this advanced front midship platform. The advanced front midship platform is a rear-wheel drive based platform, and they call it that advanced front midship platform because they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle, giving it as close to 50-50 weight distribution as possible. That improves the handling and feel through the corners. It's very balanced, very fun to drive. Rear-wheel drive is standard, intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. This has the Atessa all-wheel drive system. Atessa stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System. It also has been equipped in the later years with electronic torque split. So it's intelligent, so when all-wheel drive is not needed, it's 100% rear-wheel drive. That saves on tire wear, it improves gas mileage, and it also gives you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. Because if the all-wheel drive system's working all the time, even though when you don't need it, it's going to chew through your tires faster and it's going to reduce your gas mileage. But this Q50 has a brain. It has microprocessors that are constantly monitoring driving conditions. So as soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. This is a racing-inspired all-wheel drive system. We acquired this. Infiniti acquired it from an early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. They've been putting this all-wheel drive system in Infiniti since about 2003, 2004. When we first saw it in the FX series in the G35 all-wheel drive sedan. It's been a fantastic all-wheel drive system. I've been with Infiniti 16 years and I can't ever recall seeing one of these all-wheel drive systems going bad. They work amazing, and it'll definitely improve your weather performance, and you'll do a lot better in the snow with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. The heart of the Q50 is this VR30 twin turbo V6. It pumps out 300 horsepower, an amazing engine, direct injection. This is a newer engine that we first started seeing in the Q50 in 2016, replacing the aging VQ37. It uses two small turbos, so you have one turbo for each bank of the cylinders. Smaller turbos react to the engine quicker versus one big turbo, improving the engine's responsiveness, so that's why they use those two smaller turbos. This is a fantastic engine. It's very efficient, it's very quiet, very smooth. There's almost no turbo lag at all, and the turbos are very quiet. Turbo technology has come a long way over the last couple decades. One beautiful, one owner clean Carfax off-lease Q50. Come in, take it for a spin. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.